Squatting on a bar stool, no one's looking at me. Drinking whiskey, I'm all alone. I close my eyes as the world goes by. I think to myself, is this everything? Oh, I remember when you took me to your home. Oh, I remember you were so blue. And I will never forget what you told me then, my love. It's been raining for 7 months, and I think that I've had enough. There's sun and there's rainbows, but I can't see them. I can't find a way back home. I'm on a road, but there's nowhere to go. But there's still dreams and memories, please come back to me. Oh, I remember when you took me to your home. Oh, I remember you are so blue. And I will never forget what you told me then, my love. I still hear you laugh sometime, and I miss you when I cry. There's something I wish I could do, but I'll never be with you. You'll be always in my heart, even though you tore me apart. Take this as my dying wish. You don't have to think about it. So blue, and I will never forget what you told